Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I want to bring you a video that has two parts to it. Someone wanted me to do an update on the carbon fiber trim I installed in the steering wheel here. It's been holding nice and tight, no movement at all. It's not coming away, even it's been extremely hot here. Looks really good. But there's a matching part you can buy, since there's not a lot out for the TLX, that'll match this perfectly, and it kind of goes along with the same finish and adds a nice little touch to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I just picked up that I think you guys will really like, and it'll work for multiple cars as well. So I got this from the same place. I'll put a link in the description so you can pick up both of them if you guys like. But it's the same finish, so it's not real carbon fiber, but it has that nice finish, that glossy finish. I think adds a nice little touch to the interior of this car. And this piece here will work for the new TLX, and also it'll work for the new MDX. So this one, unlike the steering wheel, this one will actually work for both. So let me go ahead and get it out of the box here and I'll show you exactly what it is. It's this little ring. Like I said, it's the same finish. It'll match perfectly. And it's held on with the 3M tape. So you see here, it's a nice match. And like I said, it's nothing over the top. Just adds a nice little touch. And what it does, it goes over this dynamic mode selector here. So it'll cover up some of that aluminum. You just peel the back off and stick it. I'll go ahead and do that. It's really easy. Just make sure there's no oils on the original button there. But it's very simple. Just peel it and push it on. And it sticks really tight. Doesn't move when you turn the selector. It's nice and tight. And like I said, there's not a lot for these vehicles like there is the Integra. So the TLX and MDX, there's not a lot of parts that you can put on it. So I think that looks really nice. Like I said, it kind of blends with the gloss black. And then if you guys like the carbon fiber finish, it'll flow with the steering wheel as well. So I'll put a link in the description. The seller has both this part and then also the part for the steering wheel if you guys like that. Like I said, I just like adding a few little things to personalize your vehicle, nothing over the top. You kind of want to keep it pretty much stock, but just add that personalization to it. This is a great way to do it. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.